Silence is Easy by Starsailor is going to introduce us to the E major chord. This song is really easy to play with just two chords, an E major and an A major chord. So we can see on the chord chart up here we have an E major chord to start with. Have the open E string, second fret on the A string with the second finger, second fret on the D string with the third finger, first fret on the G string with the first finger, open B, open high E. I recommend getting used to that chord, taking your fingers off, seeing if you can put the shape down again until you get comfortable with it. The second chord we're going to play in this song is an A major chord. Now there are lots of different ways to play this chord with different fingers. I tend to play it with my second, third and fourth fingers because I've got quite chubby fingers and they don't fit in quite nicely in there. But in general, people like to use the first finger at the second fret of the D, second finger at the second fret of the G, and third finger at the second fret of the B. If that's comfortable for you, that's how most people play this chord. I tend to play it, like I said, with second, third and fourth fingers. So we have an E and we have an A chord. Now the strumming is quite simple. We're just going to strum down in eighth notes. So we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and what eighth notes mean is there's 8 notes in a bar basically. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So a bar is something we use to break up a musical sentence. You can see it on the tab above. It's just this black vertical line between the two sets of notes. So we start off with the E and we're going to strum 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And as you can see we have 2 bars of that. So we do 8 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we go to our A chord and do exactly the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In general, musicians like to count as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and rather than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It just floats off the tongue a lot easier and it's a lot easier to keep up at high speed. If you're struggling to change the chord on time, you can just simply strum 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, just to get started. It's really good practice to do that along with the song, so you're getting used to playing that chord in time, and then when you find that you can do that, start to add a few more strums in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, and eventually up to speed. For more guitar songs using the E and A major chord, check out this link here. Good luck with this one, happy practicing and take care.